Welcome back to Financial Freedom Journey. The power of persistence. Persistence is a vital ingredient in achieving your goals. Many successful individuals like Thomas Edison and Nelson Mandela exemplified relentless effort, pushing through challenges until they reached their dreams. It's essential to stay committed, even when progress feels slow or setbacks arise. Remember, success often requires time and patience. Embrace the journey, knowing that every small step forward contributes to your ultimate achievement. With persistence, you can turn your aspirations into reality no matter the obstacles. Building a support system. Surrounding yourself with supportive people is invaluable on your journey to success. A strong support network can motivate and inspire you, providing encouragement during tough times. Seek out mentors and like-minded individuals who share your passions and values. Their insights can be transformative. Additionally, sharing your goals with others fosters accountability, making it easier to stay committed. Remember, collaboration and support can amplify your efforts, helping you achieve your dreams more effectively and joyfully. Taking action. Taking actionable steps toward your goals is essential for success. Starting small allows you to build momentum without feeling overwhelmed. Begin by identifying simple tasks you can accomplish daily and create a structured action plan to guide your efforts. Break larger goals into manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, taking action is crucial. Without it, dreams remain just that, dreams. Perhaps you're considering using your savings for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Recognizing and celebrating your achievements is vital for maintaining motivation on your journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of when it's appropriate to use your savings and how to make those decisions wisely. No matter how small, each step brings you closer to your goals. So stick around as we dive into the nuances of savings and financial milestones. Celebrating boosts your planning, ensures your confidence, and reinforces your commitment to success. Emergency situations can strike at any moment, and knowing when to dip into your savings is crucial for maintaining your financial stability. An emergency is typically defined as an unexpected situation that requires immediate attention and financial resources, such as medical expenses, urgent home repairs, or even job loss. These scenarios can create significant stress, making it essential to have an emergency fund in place. Having an emergency fund acts as a key financial buffer, allowing you to address urgent needs without derailing your long-term goals. For instance, if your car breaks down unexpectedly and requires costly repairs, using your savings can help you get back on the road without incurring debt. Similarly, if a sudden medical issue arises, having funds readily available can ensure you receive the necessary treatment without delay. Other examples include urgent home repairs, like a leaking roof or a broken furnace, which can lead to further damage if not addressed immediately. By understanding what constitutes an emergency and having a dedicated fund, you can navigate these situations with confidence and peace of mind. In this video, we explored key strategies for achieving your savings goals, setting clear objectives, overcoming obstacles, and the power of persistence. Remember, taking action and staying committed are essential for turning your dreams into reality. We hope you feel inspired to implement these strategies in your own life. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who could benefit from a motivational boost. Using your savings for investment opportunities can be a smart financial move, provided it's done strategically. When you invest, whether in real estate, stocks, or education, you're essentially putting your money to work with the potential for significant returns. For instance, investing in real estate can yield rental income and property appreciation over time, while furthering your education can enhance your skills and increase your earning potential. However, it's crucial to differentiate between impulsive spending and strategic investing. Impulsive spending often leads to regret and financial strain, while strategic investing is based on careful research and planning. Before dipping into your savings, take the time to evaluate the risks versus the rewards. Ask yourself, what is the potential return on this investment? How does it align with my long-term financial goals? By approaching investment opportunities with a clear strategy, you can make informed decisions that could lead to financial growth. Remember, the key is to ensure that your investments are well thought out and not just a reaction to a fleeting desire. This way, you can leverage your savings to build a more secure financial future. Using your savings to pay off debt can be a strategic move, especially when it comes to high-interest debts like credit cards or personal loans. These types of debts can accumulate quickly, leading to a cycle of financial strain. By using your savings to pay off these high-interest obligations, you can significantly reduce the amount of interest you'll pay over time, ultimately saving you money in the long run. The long-term benefits of being debt-free are substantial. Not only does it improve your credit score, but it also frees up your monthly budget, allowing you to allocate funds toward savings or investments. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're no longer burdened by debt, enabling you to focus on your financial goals. However, before making the decision to dip into your savings, it's essential to consider your overall financial health. Ensure that you still have an emergency fund in place and that paying off the debt won't leave you financially vulnerable. By carefully weighing your options, you can make informed choices that lead to a healthier financial future. Significant life events often come with both emotional and financial implications, making it understandable to consider accessing your savings. For example, weddings can be joyous occasions, but they also come with hefty price tags. Similarly, purchasing a home is a monumental step that typically requires a substantial down payment. Starting a family brings its own set of expenses, from prenatal care to childcare costs. These events can be exciting yet overwhelming, and it's natural to want to use your savings to ensure they go smoothly. However, it's essential to recognize the financial impact of these decisions. While dipping into your savings may seem justified, it's crucial to plan ahead to minimize the need for this. By budgeting and saving specifically for these major life events, you can alleviate some of the financial stress. For instance, creating a dedicated wedding fund or a home buying savings account can help you avoid depleting your emergency fund. Encouraging proactive planning not only helps you manage your finances better, but also allows you to fully enjoy these significant milestones without the burden of financial strain. In this video, we've explored the various scenarios where dipping into your savings can be justified. From emergency situations that require immediate financial assistance to strategic investments that promise potential returns, understanding when to access your savings is crucial for maintaining financial health. We also discussed the importance of debt repayment and how significant life events can necessitate using your savings, emphasizing the need for careful planning to minimize financial strain. As you reflect on these points, remember the key takeaways. Prioritize high-interest debt, maintain an emergency fund, and plan ahead for major life events. Thoughtfully assessing your financial situation will empower you to make informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may also benefit from understanding how to navigate their savings effectively. Together, we can build a community focused on achieving financial wellness and security. Thank you for watching.